How to unblock Vinted Banned Account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser. Type in Vinted UK Contact Us and then click on the first website. Go ahead and choose a category. You can click on this arrow and you can select Vinted Access and Security. Once you do so, go ahead and provide your email address. Select more about your issue. Type in the subject of banned account and then type in your description about how your account was banned and you're not sure why and you'd like to recover it. Go ahead and provide more details as you can. You can add or draw files here and then click on Submit. So this is how to unblock Vinted Banned Account. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.